In today's episode, we'll talk about an organic magic powder, which is an excellent source of organic nitrogen and phosphorus for plants. It can be used as a fertilizer, soil amendment, or pest repellent. We'll talk about the 3 amazing ways this 100% organic magic powder can be used to help plants and gardening. We will also learn how to use it safely. This white powder is called magic powder for a good reason. First, we'll quickly list the 3 very important ways this powder can be used in gardening. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel along with the bell notification. 1. Fertilize plants. This powder is a slow-release fertilizer that provides nitrogen and phosphorus to plants over time. It can be applied to the soil around plants or mixed into the potting mix. 2. Amend the soil. It can be used to improve the overall health of the soil. It adds organic matter to the soil, which helps to improve drainage, aeration, and water retention. It also helps to increase the populations of beneficial bacteria and fungi in the soil. 3. Repel pests. The strong odor of this fertilizer can repel some pests, such as slugs and snails. It can also be used to attract beneficial insects, such as ladybugs and lacewings. The miraculous magic fertilizer is fish meal. Fish meal is a byproduct of the fish oil industry. It is made by cooking and pressing fish, then drying and grinding the meat and bone. Fish meal is high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and other trace minerals. It is also a good source of protein. To use fish meal in the garden, it is important to follow the directions on the label. Fish meal can be applied to the soil around plants or mixed into a potting mix. It is important to note that fish meal can be smelly, so it is best to apply it when the weather is cool or when the plants are not in bloom. Fish meal is a safe and effective way to fertilize, amend, and protect plants in the garden. It is a natural product that is rich in nutrients and beneficial for the environment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos.